Good morning, dear. Hope you all of you are fit and fine. Maintaining distance and attempting all the safety measures at home. Right now it is your GK class. We have put so much effort to make this video. So my dear, you will go through it again and again and clear all the doubts, whichever you find problems. Now see, today is the topic general awareness, and there are some questions related to general awareness. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. Here only all the government works are done and our parliament is also there, which makes all the rules and regulations. Now second is, which state is also known as fruit bowl of India? And the answer is Himachal Pradesh. My dear, in India, in Himachal Pradesh, most of the fruits are cultivated. Mango, lychee, guava, loquat, citrus, papaya, this dry fruits, nuts, almond, pear, kiwi, walnut. So due to these varieties, peach, plum, varieties of fruits, Himachal Pradesh is called the fruit bowl of India. Now let us see the next question. This is the picture of Himachal Pradesh. Who discovered India? And the answer is Vasco da Gama. My dear, Vasco da Gama was from Portugal and he sailed from Lisbon in 1497 on a mission to reach India and opened a sea route to India. He was the first one to come to India. See the picture of Vasco da Gama. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Due to his strong will, he was given the name of Lauh Purush Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Means Lauh Purush means Iron Man. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This is the picture of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was also a freedom fighter, my dear. Which is the national sport of India? The national sport of India is hockey. And the greatest player of hockey was Major Dhyan Chand. And on his birthday only, India celebrates Sports Day. Now we will see the next question. See the game of hockey. It is played with a stick, hockey stick and ball. Who is the President of India? Ramnath Kovind. Who is the President? Earlier he was the Governor of Bihar also, my dear. Ramnath Kovind. See the picture of Ramnath Kovind. Which is the highest mountain peak on earth? Mount Everest. Mount Everest is one of the highest peak of the mountain Himalaya. See, this is called, my dear, this is Himalaya, okay? This is range, Himalayan range. And in this, which is the highest peak? That is Mount Everest. And it lays in Nepal. Which state is also known as India's spice garden? And answer is Kerala. In Kerala, my dear, many spices are cultivated. Okay? When you will read the Indian history, you will see that Vasco da Gama, who was the first Portuguese to come to India, he entered here only. And there, while going, he took many spices to his country, and the 1 rupee spice there is sold in 60 rupees, and it was so tasty. While mixing this spice, the ingredients was so tasty that people came to India for the business of this spice, and this opened the route of business towards India for all the countries. Now, who has written the national anthem of India? Rabindranath Tagore. He was the first person to get the Nobel Award for his book. Which book you know? Gitanjali. And this Gitanjali book is filled with the patriotic songs, and for this only he got the Nobel Award. See the picture of Rabindranath Tagore. He was also called as Gurudev, and he has opened a school named Santi Niketan in Calcutta. It is situated. Now, who is the first Indian woman to fly Rafale fighter jet? And the answer is Shivangi Singh. My dear, Shivangi Singh is one of the 10. Shivangi Singh is one of the 10 women fighter pilots in the country, and she is right now undergoing another training to become the first woman to fly the Rafale fighter jet. See the picture of Shivangi Singh, and she belongs to Bihar only. This is also our pride. Which is the largest flower in the world? And your answer is Rafflesia. My dear, you know Rafflesia is found in the rainforest of Indonesia, and it can grow 3 feet across. This much big flower it is. See the picture of Rafflesia, how much big flower it is. Who gave the title of Bapu to Gandhiji? Subhash Chandra Bose gave the title of Bapu to Gandhiji. My dear, Subhash Chandra Bose was an Indian freedom fighter, and he was an Indian nationalist whose defiant patriotism made him a hero of India. And he only first time called Gandhiji as Bapu. See the picture of Subhash Chandra Bose. His slogan was, तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. Now, how many spokes do the wheel in Indian flag have? And the answer is 24. What is the spokes, my dear? You understand? Spokes are I am showing you the. See. This is the wheel, and in this lining, these are the spokes, and it is 24 spokes. And what does wheel teaches us? You know, to move progressively, to continue to the progress. Which Indian cricketer is called Master Blaster? And the answer is Sachin Tendulkar. My dear, in his whole life, Sachin Tendulkar has set so many records that he is also called the god of cricket and Master Blaster also. And due to his devotion towards the cricket, he has been awarded as he was awarded with the national award also. Now, this is your homework, my dear. You will write in it very neat and clean handwriting. First, you will write SW and date. Then you will write general awareness and you will read it, learn it, and then you will write it. See the picture of Sachin Tendulkar. Right now he have given up the cricket career, but he is called the Master Blaster of India. Who is the governor of Bihar? Fagu Chauhan. Who is the governor of Bihar, my dear? Fagu Chauhan. I am showing you the picture of Fagu Chauhan. He is our present governor of Bihar. Thank you children for watching this video, and very nicely you will do your homework. Thank you.